Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this slow in out animation on CapCut PC. So select your videos. I have like 3, so just go to speed, go to customize, and you're going to pull this down. You're also going to adjust it with the song of your choice, so you can like make it smaller again. And you're just going to do it for all of your videos. So here I'm just going to then adjust it to make it a little bit smaller than that. And then lastly we have this one. Go to speed, customize it. Oops. And then again we're just going to make it shorter. Then go to your videos, go back to speed, and make sure you add smooth slow-mo and select optical flow, and you're going to do that to all of your videos. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!